How to add someone on WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add someone in WhatsApp group, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add someone in WhatsApp group, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch WhatsApp here. Once you launch WhatsApp, if you want to be able to add a group, you need to be a specific admin of the group. So just open the group page, tap the group name from the very top, and then just scroll down right like this. Right over here you'll be able to see 4 participants. If you want to invite someone, then you can tap the invite via link option, copy the link. When the other person taps on the link, they'll be able to join the group. Or you can add them manually by tapping the add participants option, selecting the people that you want to add to this group right like this, and then you'll be able to add them respectively. This way you can basically add someone in a WhatsApp group. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.